Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's bed and breakfast time here at the Tunnel Inn Bed and Breakfast. Let's check it out. We're gonna meet the owner, Bob.
Mark,
How
welcome
you
to the
doing?
Tunnel Inn, bud.
And you are?
I am Bob Elder.
Bob Elder.
I am the chief innkeeper here at the Tunnel Inn.
Oh, this is, look at that. This is great. Okay.
Put your breakfast out here in the morning. I do fresh coffee, muffins, cereal. I try to keep fresh fruit around, watermelon, grapes, things like that. Usually have breakfast around 8 o'clock. Sometimes we can do it a little early if you got some different plans. Got 4 rental suites. Got the MO Tower, Juniata, Baldwin, and Alco. Take you upstairs and show you some rooms.
Sweet.
Have to forgive me. I'm still working on some innkeeping stuff.
All right. We got some pictures here. We got some
Lots of trains. All about the trains here at the Tunnel Inn. Lots of history, lots of stories, a lot of good people, a lot of good fun.
All right, we're on the top floor.
This would be your MO Tower suite. Again, forgive me, laundry's still in the dryer. This would be my most popular room. You can lay in bed here, look out the front window, watch the trains come around the curve without even lifting your head off the pillow.
Oh, okay. Take a look out. Sorry for the rain and all that, but there you go. Very nice.
All the rooms have a private bathroom with a shower, air conditioning, cable TV. Like I said, 3 of the 4 rooms have a little refrigerator for you. We got the queen beds for the couples. Got twin beds for the rail fans that don't want to cuddle. And of course, that window looks right out over the parking lot, right out over the tracks.
No trains coming here.
Another queen bedroom here, the Alco suite. This is the only room in the building without a view of the tracks, but the ladies tend to like this one. They sit and read and do their kind of good stuff.
So if you don't want to look at the trains, the Alco suite
This is a good place to sit for the weekend. You could sit at the desk. That's a nice recliner, all kinds of good stuff like that. And of course, another twin bedroom here. As I said, the place sleeps 8 comfortably. Somebody wants to pull in a sleeping bag and crash on the floor, that's their business.
Okay. Another good look at the tracks. The rain looks like it's kind of stopped.
Letting up, yeah, it comes and goes. And you kind of blow out the back door here and have a little fire in the chiminea and
Oh, nice.
tell stories, enjoy some adult beverages.
Oh, what a great porch.
Light switch right there to your left. Turns on the 5 spotlights out here. Light the tracks up all night long.
Hit that. And there's your spotlights.
Right here at milepost 248.
Across the way there's the museum.
The caboose is open. I don't know if you checked that out, but I did unlock that this morning.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And how much is a room?
$138.75 covers the night, taxes, breakfast, everything.
All year round.
All year round.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mark.
All right. Well, we're getting a special treat because if you're lucky, we'll get to go down in the basement here.
The only way in, the only way out. Watch your head right here.
Only way in, only way out. Special treat. Oh my God. Look at this, a hidden gem underneath the inn. Wow. This is incredible. Wow, this is amazing.
Feel free to walk around, look around, ask questions,
Wow.
take pictures.
All scratch built by yourself?
For the most part, yeah. I mean, I built it all, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of kits involved, but yeah. I've been collecting and building since I was about 10, so yeah. There's a lot of years here. Moved all this down here from Massachusetts.
Wow.
It took me two years to reassemble it, put it all back together, get it all running.
All right, after crawling under there, did pretty good. This is an amazing layout.
There's some hints around the inn that the Model Railroad is down here. I don't really advertise it a lot.
Right.
You kind of have to ask to come down here because, again, it's just that one entrance in and out, and folks tend to get a little antsy. So, if you ask, I'll bring you down.
There you go. If you ask, he will bring you down. Well, I'd like to thank you for showing me down here in the secret layout underground.
My pleasure.
Awesome, beautiful layout.
Thank you, sir.
Got a point of interest.
I mentioned the fact that this building was built as a firehouse.
Right.
That outcropping right there, that's the base of the old bell tower. The old hose tower. There was a 3-story bell tower on this building with the bell that was in this building is currently on display over at the fire station.
Oh, wow.
But that is the foundation for what was the bell tower, hose tower.
Stuff you learn.
There you go.
All right, back up.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, sir. That was awesome. Oh, and the sun's out. It stopped raining.
Be a good day in the mountain.
Good day on the mountain. Well, how cool was that? And if when you come here, maybe Bob will show you the underground secret train layout, which was pretty cool. I think he said it was $149 a night, and it doesn't matter what time of year. So if you're a rail fan or not even a rail fan, what a great place to stay here at the Tunnel Inn Bed and Breakfast. And I'll leave a link below, and so you can check them out and maybe stay here one night. And on that note, traveler out.